Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Hazel Castro. So if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe. Okay, so ngayon, since may overripe bananas tayo, we will not throw this yet. Kasi pwede pa yung kainan. Mas masarap actually pag overripe. We will do banana streusel bread. Diba? Sounds yummy. So for the recipe and the ingredients, just check the description box below. And also, we've prepared the ingredients and now we're ready to bake. Tara! Okay, so we will start first with our streusel. So, sift na muna natin lahat ng dry ingredients natin, starting with flour. So again, you can check the description box below para sa recipe. Add na rin natin yung cinnamon. So, any lumps, ano nyo lang siya. Durugin nyo lang. Let's add in our salt. Let's add in our sugar, white sugar. Then next, our brown sugar. So just mix it together. And pag nahalo na natin siya maigi, we'll just get our butter. Then, actually, tatlong version yung gagawin natin. Yung isa, plain streusel. So, mainly brown sugar and butter. And the other one, lalagyan natin with nuts. And then the other one, lalagyan natin ng nuts and onting coffee powder. So, lagyan na natin yung streusel, yung main streusel recipe natin ng butter. Okay, so about half cup of butter. Then you can use a masher, a fork, or anything. But me, since malinis naman ang aking hands, I'll use my hands. So basically, gusto nyo i-crumble lang siya. Yeah. So, na-mix na natin yung ating streusel recipe. Mag-a-add lang tayo later with nuts and with coffee. But basically, ito na yun. Since we're done with our streusel recipe, let's set this aside. So, I'll just wash my hands and then gawa tayo ng ating banana bread recipe. Okay, so I'm back. Ngayon, malinis na yung kamay ko and now we're ready to make our banana bread recipe. So, let's start first sifting our dry ingredients and mixing them all together. So, start with flour. Sift ulit tayo. Okay, let's add our baking soda and baking powder. Then let's also add our cinnamon and our salt. Then sift lang din ulit. Okay, so I think that's fine. So this is for our dry ingredients. Medyo haluin lang natin ng kaunti. Mix them together. Okay, so in making our sour cream, gamit lang tayo ng half cup of all-purpose cream. So yeah, about half cup. Okay, so now we're adding in our 1 tablespoon vinegar. So 1/2 cup of cream and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. So yan yung sa ating sour cream if you don't have sour cream at home. So we'll just mix it. So let's start adding up our ingredients, starting with egg. Mix lang natin. Okay, after mixing it well, let's add our oil. So for this recipe, I'm using canola oil para kahit i-ref nyo siya, hindi siya titigas. It's still moist. Let's add in our sugar. Then, yung white sugar naman natin. So actually, pag nag-bake naman, basta ihiwalay nyo lang yung dry ingredients from wet ingredients. You just mix it all together before you combine them both. So that's fine. And then, before we add in our sour cream, ito yung ripe bananas natin. So we will just mash this one. I have 4 medium-sized ripe banana. Mas ripe, mas okay, no? Mas nag-bring out siya ng flavor ng tamis and yung flavor ng banana. So, mas okay siya actually for banana breads compared dun sa hinog lang na banana. So, you really want overripe bananas. So, the next time na feeling nyo nabulukan na kayo ng banana, don't throw it yet. Instead, make this banana bread. And for sure, wala nang masasayang sa pagkain ninyo next time. Okay, so we'll just put it here. Then we will mash it with our fork. Yan, so let's mash it with our fork. So you can use a masher, you can use a fork, anything. Pwedeng kamay nyo rin kung gusto nyo. So when you mash the bananas, depende sa inyo kung anong klaseng consistency yung gusto niyo. Kung gusto nyo may nangangata pa kayong banana sa banana bread ninyo, or if you want it na mas durog pa, pwede rin naman. Ako gusto ko may nangangata-ngata pang kaunti na banana. Okay, so we will put it here in our wet ingredients mixture since na-mash na natin yung banana natin. So let's just mix it. Okay, so now let's add about 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. One teaspoon. Then mix ulit natin. And then let's add our sour cream mixture. So yung sour cream mixture will help moisten our banana bread. Okay, so ngayon i-mix na natin yung wet and dry ingredients natin. Ang idea lang naman is that gawin nyo muna yung dry ingredients separate with the wet ingredients, and then after, tsaka nyo sila i-combine together. You also don't want to overmix. So once na nakita ninyo na wala ng flour or dry ingredients mixture, basically if na-cover na everything, so okay na. So yeah, it's good. Kunin natin yung mga baking pans natin, and then we'll transfer our banana bread there. Okay, so we have 3 pans here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so i-grease lang natin siya with oil. All sides, each pan, para hindi dumikit yung mixture natin sa ating pan para mas madali din siyang i-release later. If you have parchment paper at home, better if after you grease this one, you use the parchment paper and then grease it again. Pero kasi wala akong parchment paper ngayon sa bahay, so this one will also do good. Yeah. Let's see, how many cups per pan. Let's start with 1/2. So guys, halos 1 cup every pan. A little bit more than that. So, yan, simutin lang natin. Okay. We'll add in our streusel sa top. Yan. So, one is plain. The other one, add na natin yung nuts natin dito sa streusel mixture natin. Then, let's mix it again. Okay. And then, here's for our second pan. So, may nuts na yung streusel mixture natin. For our last mixture, we will add coffee. So I'm using Taster's Choice na decaf house blend. So 1 teaspoon. Let's mix in our streusel, and then let's mix it again. Okay. So, we're ready to bake. But before I bake, maghugas muna uli ako ng kamay. Tapos, pasok na natin sila sa oven. The oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so about 1 minute left in our time. So, excited na akong bango, guys. 30 seconds! So, nakahugas na rin ako ng mga kalat ko kanina sa baking. So, ganoon ang gawin nyo, guys. Imbes na matabakan kayo ng mga gagawin. If may waiting time sa pagluluto or pag-bake ninyo, make sure to clean up the kitchen so that wala na kayo iisipin after. 7 seconds. Okay. Oh, wow. Looks good. Sarado lang. Ay, hindi. Bago natin sarado yung oven. Check lang natin. So, wala naman nag-stick. Okay, so napalamig na natin yung banana cake natin. It's taste time. So good. Gusto ko yung hindi siya ganun katamis. Tama-tama na yung tamis niya. Depende sa flavors, nalalasahan mo pa rin yung banana. And then, it's crunchy in the outside because of the streusel. And then, it's moist in the inside. So, I hope you try this at home. And then, let me know kung kamusta pag-bake niyo. See you again next time. Bye!